M0FXB, RT Systems and the TIDRADIO H8. Let's give it a go. So you can buy this with the cable or without the cable. There is a Baofeng cable. Just show you what that looks like. Go across here. That's the Baofeng cable. They're about £6. But anyway, back to RT Systems. And so what we're going to do is connect the cable to the PC, and it just plugs into the side of the radio and the twin pin there. And we'll go to the Windows square here and just make sure we right click, go to Device Manager. And it's COM3. Okay. And then we'll go Communications, COM port. Click OK. That's COM3. And then we're going to go Communications, Get Data. And you can see I've already read from it once. And it's nice and fast when it reads, as you can see. Now, the thing about RT Systems is once you've got it once, you can actually copy and paste between different models of radios. And that's part of the reason people like it. You can see there I've read twice. Every time you read, it opens a new tab. So let's just shut one of them down here. Go yes. And I can save that if I want, but I'm not gonna save it. So am I going to say no this time? Okay, so there it is there. Now what we can do is go to the settings if we want. Click up here, radio menu settings, and in this section we can choose beep, channel only mode, D-Wait, what's that? LCD on RX, TX, Roger. It's all the settings that you're going to see in the radio. Here you've got your shortcut buttons. Oh, got some long key ones here as well. So 3 buttons, long and short key, and then lots of settings here. Mic gain, timeout, display. On the A, we can display the name or the frequency. So I'll leave it on the A. I'm going to put name. On the B, I'm going to put frequency. And what we got here, selected band A and B. Okay, and then it looks like we've got some FM presets here. That's your broadcast radio. It doesn't do airband. I'm very surprised they didn't add airband. I'm sure they will one day. And to add a channel, nice and easy, if we just click an empty one here, double click, type in 145.750. That's GB3 Bravo Charlie. It puts the shift in for us. All we got to do is set the tone on transmit. So tone mode. They are tone, and then we will need 94.8 for that repeater. So just go up, and then we can put a name in there, GB3 Bravo Charlie. So that's in, and then let's do another one. We had a bank of channels. So what we're going to do, we're going to go File, External Data, down to Repeater but Search. And we've done this before, so it might remember me. No, it doesn't. So we're going to put in 2 meters here and 70 sems. I think that's enough. I better reduce the radius to about 20, I think. Miles or kilometers, Western Supermare. Click OK, and it's going to find a load of channels, okay? Not that many actually, but anyway, let's just see, just make sure that they are all analog, which I think they looks like they are. So now if we just click the bottom one here and hold D control and go up, we can copy them. Right click, copy, go back, click underneath the bottom one here, right click and paste. And it pastes them in, and now we can write that to the radio. So we'll go to communication, you'll see the radio. Send data to radio. There you go, click OK. So we've got now 40 odd memories in there straight away. So it's nice and easy. I know we've got Chirp, and Chirp is quite good, yeah? I think they've got it working with the TIDRADIO H8. You've got the original software, which is okay. But if you've got lots of RT systems already, and then so let's have a quick look at on the B band. Let's go into memory mode. And what channel number are we on there? Oh, let's go to Oh, let me do that. 043. I think it did, didn't it? Oh, let me just get my head right. So it's a bit awkward leaning over like that. Yeah, that's better. So you've got a dedicated A and B button here as well for the main and the sub. But the top bit does change, but it changes. You've actually sort of almost got like a triple display. So if you go A, it puts it on the bigger window. So you got B, and then that's our memory channels. And then we're cycling up through like so. Let's go to, what was one of those? We started that new bank about 40, didn't we? A lot of 2 meter stuff there. Did we not? Oh, I know what it is. We didn't put in 77. So it has worked, but I feel like we could do another search, and then we'll end the video just for fun. So we'll go file, and remember you can save as, you can import and export. Let's do the export thing, and it's allowing me to, let's just give it a name, and it's exporting as a tab file. Yes, and then save. That's like an RT Systems file, isn't it? Edit, copy, paste. You've got all your copy and paste selections there. Settings, Windows, memory channels. This is like help. That's the help pages. So let's do one last one. File, external data, repeater book search. Let's do another one. It looks like I did tick 77, so it could have been the radius. Let's put in 40. Click OK. Why am I not seeing? That's weird. Any 77s ones? Try one last time. I've clicked all bands now. That's what this one does. No frequency available. That's a weird one, isn't it? File, external data, repeater book search. Click OK. No. All right, well, someone let me know. I don't even know what this grid means. File, external data, repeater book search. If I just untick, and let's just do 77s. Click OK. See, that worked. Okay. So I don't know if that's a bug or something. Someone let me know what they think it is, but it's got all the 77s. Do control, copy, right click, copy, paste. Right to radio. There, I've got loads of frequencies to play with in there. And I will never know why they didn't include, let's plug in the cable again, why they didn't include airband on this radio. I always wondered, why they didn't do that myself. We've got a bit hiccupy here at the end, haven't we? Send data to radio. Well, I think we'll end there because I'm going to keep tinkering with this. I feel like there's a couple of bugs here, but anyway, maybe it's me. 7.3.